measured by others, but our satisfaction is measured by our own soul, mind, and heart. WHO Chief Scientist Soumya Swaminathan has said a healthy young person might have to wait for COVID-19 vaccine until 2022. Most people agreed, starting with healthcare workers and frontline workers and then the elderly and so on. Swaminathan added, "You need to vaccinate at least 70% of people to really break transmission," she further said. Woman locked in a toilet for 1.5 years rescued ate 8 chapatis when given food. A 35-year-old woman in Haryana who was locked in a toilet by her husband for 1.5 years has been rescued and handed over to her cousin. She was so weak she couldn't even walk. She ate 8 chapatis when we gave her food, an official said. Her husband claimed she had mental health problems but couldn't produce any medical records. US Fire Department hires its first firefighting robot. The Los Angeles Fire Department, which is LAFD, has become the first fire department in the US to hire a robotic firefighting vehicle. The Thermite RS3 can discharge nearly 9,470 litre water per minute and go on for 20 hours without refueling. The robot will assist in large animal rescues, fuel tanker fires, and structural defense at wildfires, the LAFD said. 89-year-old Dutch woman, first known person to die from contracting COVID-19 twice. An 89-year-old Dutch woman has become the first known person to die from contracting coronavirus twice. The woman suffered from rare type of bone marrow cancer and began receiving chemotherapy treatment nearly 2 months after testing positive for the first time. Researchers at Maastricht University Medical Center said no antibodies were found in her blood system. YouTube bans content promoting COVID-19 vaccine misinformation. YouTube on Wednesday said it would ban all content on its platform that contains misinformation about COVID-19 vaccines. The move would include removing claims that the vaccine is fatal, causes infertility, or the microchips will be implanted in people who receive it. The platform added that it has removed over 2 lakh videos related to misleading COVID-19 information since February. COVID-19 recoveries in India have exceeded the number of active cases by 55 lakh, with recoveries reaching 63,83,441 and active cases reaching 8,12,390. The recovery rate has increased to 87.35%. India's total COVID-19 cases have increased to 73,07,997 after a single day spike of 67,708 cases. COVID-19 death toll in the country has surged to 1,11,266. Germany in serious phase of COVID-19 pandemic. Germany is in a serious phase of COVID-19 pandemic with the number of new cases growing exponentially. German Chancellor Angela Merkel said, "We are facing a serious challenge. Our task is to be able to trace contacts," she added. Merkel further said that the country couldn't afford a second nationwide COVID-19 lockdown for economic reasons. Former cricket commentator and journalist Kishore Bhimani dies at 80. Veteran sports journalist and former cricket commentator Kishore Bhimani died aged 80 in a Kolkata hospital on Thursday. Best remembered for being on air during the tied test of 1986 between India and Australia at Chepauk in Chennai. Bhimani was involved in cricket commentary for over 3 decades. According to hospital media release, he died due to sudden cardiac arrest. Kohli becomes first ever cricketer to play 200 T20 matches for one team. RCB captain Virat Kohli has become the first ever player to feature in 200 T20 matches for one team. The ongoing RCB KXIP matches Kohli's 200th T20 for RCB. He has represented RCB 185 times in IPL and 15 times CLT20. Kohli also holds the record for scoring the most number of runs for one team in T20 cricket. Intel CBSE set Guinness World Record for maximum users in AI lesson in 24 hours. Intel India, along with the Central Board of Secondary Education, which is CBSE, set a Guinness World Record for the most users to take an online artificial intelligence lesson in 24 hours with 13,000 students. The virtual lesson was part of the ongoing AI for Youth Virtual Symposium. Union Minister Dr. Ramesh Pokhriyal Nishank took to Twitter to congratulate Intel and CBSE. Selena Gomez holds 7 world records, including most likes for an actor on Facebook and first person with 100 million followers on Instagram. Dr. Sandak Rohit, an eye surgeon from Nepal, restored a vision of 1 lakh poor patients for free, but unfortunately no one knows him. Scandal hack. Put your candles in the freezer before using. It will help them burn longer. Dutch designer created innovative classroom stools that encourage healthy posture with 4 available sitting positions. Gari is the largest selling detergent brand in India. On an average, Gari generates more than 15 crore rupees in sales on a daily basis.